Hello YouTube, I have my X06 Roshin right here and some other models that we are going to be testing in this environment right here. We're going to be running to rough terrain in the construction site. Hopefully I don't get in trouble again with getting all my nice little clean shoes, all of this dirt and mud. So we'll be testing this car here. I will be driving one-handed, so yes, excuse me if I don't do the best job ever driving this, but it's gonna be one-handed. Let's go. You see this car running before, so let me bring it through the street first. It's not crazy fast, but it's a lot of fun. We're gonna go through this area right here first, where you can see it's very loose dirt. This is not so rough. It's kind of being smoothed out for grass. But as you can see, the car really goes well. Doesn't really face any problem with this terrain at all. The suspension, even though it isn't oil filled, it's not a problem. It's working good. Bounces a little bit, but still drives quite well. When it hits the pavement, it goes way better because it has a lot more traction. But even through this dirt, still do a nice job. You can easily, oh, something got stuck in the wheels there, so let's go back and keep on going. So we're gonna go in the other side of the street now because I want to show you that it can handle some really rough terrain. It's a nice big jump over there. I will get closer, and I will definitely have to get closer because I just flipped the car. So let me get to the car now, and we'll do some jumps here in this area. Car back on. As you can see, this is rough. This is not smooth at all. The other car performed pretty good, so I assume this one is just gonna do just as good as the other one, because again, this is X06 and the X05 is the same thing underneath. There is only a different body shell. Put this right here. Let's see if we can climb this rock. Climbs with no problem on the way back. Little jumps. See, there is no problem on driving through really rough terrain, in my opinion. I'll go all the way back here and let's see if I can hit the jump. It did jump pretty good. Now all the way back. It handles this terrain without a problem. Having a hard time to climb. Let's go, keep on going. It's just digging itself down, so let's go back and come back again. There you go, you made it. Little guy, working very good. It bounces a lot, but it's keeping up in its feet, so that's good. Bounces, 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 and comes back. Very cool. Yeah, I didn't know that this car was going to perform that well in these rough conditions. See, it's all very rough terrain here. And it just cruises through it like it's not even seeing bumps and jumps. Surprisingly, it doesn't, well, I was just about to say it doesn't flip a lot, and then it did flip, because that's how it is. And then I need to get my feet all dirt once more. Let's go. Let's go a little bit more. Oh God. I don't want to keep getting my shoes dirty. Alright. Stuck in the rocks. One more time. find it cool that it can really go through this pile of rocks without a problem. Oh, that's a big chunk of concrete. That's not gonna do it. So I think that this video is kind of about the objective of it, was to show that you can run through rough terrain. Definitely approved for rough terrain. It's not strong or too fast, but it didn't have an issue gliding through all of this stuff. See, got stuck in the same position again, but it's trying to get up. Just need a little bit more speed. Oh, I got the little, what the heck's going on there? Got stuck in the wire. Yeah, so if you like this, please consider subscribing, leave your question, your comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. It did prove the point that this car can, in fact, handle rough, really rough terrain without a problem. So one more jump, going straight of us. That's beautiful, beautiful jump. It works. It did work a lot better than what I could think of. It worked pretty well. I'm very happy. This is the Hosim X06, and it's approved. It's approved for rough terrain. It did work great. I'm very, very happy with this car. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. Like, dislike, leave your comments. Thank you. Bye.